I'm Lisa Peterson, and I'm the purchasing leader at C3. Purchasing works closely with pretty much every department here, and it's just nice to have a large employee base, but yet still have that family-oriented feeling there. So it all starts in engineering and release, and then purchasing needs to make sure we get the parts on time and they come in accurate. We work very closely with engineering to get the right parts spec'd out, to get the right lead time, get it as fast as we can. We work really closely with assembly, because if a part came in wrong or a part's damaged, they need to let us know right away so we can get a part to them ASAP so it doesn't hold back assembly time at all. And we work closely with customer service. If a customer calls and their machines are down, they need to borrow some parts from our machines, or we need to get parts for the customer on order and shipped directly to them. C3's growth in our business affects our vendors in a positive way, because the more machines we sell, the more parts we're buying, and if we're growing, they're growing as well. I feel like if you have a personal relationship, you work very closely with them, but you help each other out. They help me out when I need parts in a pinch. I have vendors that will drive over here if they have to, and it helps get the best pricing as well. So we can pass that on to our customers so they have a quality machine, but at a very reasonable price as well. I like building relationships with my vendors as well as everybody here at C3. I like how fast-paced it is, the challenges throughout the day, and just seeing the machines running and testing out at the end just makes it all worth it.